I was excited to be asked to contribute to this book because Agile software development methods have been enormously, transformative in software development. And the same kind of transformation could be happening in hardware, but it can't happen unless you understand why the software development methods work. And so you basically have to take Agile and deconstruct it down to the bottom to see why it's working, and then use those principles and build it back up. And we're not the first people to try deconstructing it. There's quite a bit of good reference material on that. But to build it back up is a challenge, and that's the really exciting part about this book, was being able to explain why are the methods that we're recommending working? How would you know if they're not working, and what should you do about it? Having a method that's really grounded on principles that are understood and make it adaptable.